Hey everybody! I'm here today with a Nissan Kicks key fob tutorial. I'll be showing you how to use it in this video. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is actually the key fob for a Nissan Kicks. And there's the vehicle that this key fob is associated with right over there. That is the Nissan Kicks. Now, it's very simple. It actually only has 3 buttons. I'm going to show you how to use it, and then I'm also going to show you a little bonus tip or bonus trick towards the end of the video. So be sure to pay attention to that. And I'm going to try and do this with one hand, which for this it should be easy, but for the bonus trick might be a little bit more difficult, so bear with me. All right, you essentially have 3 buttons, okay? Now, I'm going to start off with the middle button, which also has 2 little dots on it, so you can feel where it is at nighttime, okay? And that, as you can see, looks like a lock that has been opened. So that is actually the unlock button. So you push it once, and you push it twice, you will unlock all of the doors. It's very simple. When you push this, you'll unlock the doors. And if you're ever unsure, just like, push it 5 or 6 times. That's what a lot of people do. They just push it like this until they walk to the car, right? But that essentially unlocks the doors. Now, when you push the top button, which is, it looks like a lock that has been closed, when you push it, it will lock the car. As you heard right there, hopefully you could hear that, it actually honked. I'll roll the window down just a touch and you can hear it. Just like that. So it actually honks just a little beep when you lock it, which is interesting because on many cars you'll have to push this twice before you hear the beep, but on this car you push it once and it already beeps, which is a really convenient feature because most people push it twice until it beeps. So this allows you to push it and hear it beep right away. It saves you a click. Now, the bottom one over here is actually the panic button. And this is like an alarm button, basically. It's the red one with it looks like a horn that's blaring, because that's essentially what happens. Now, I'm going to do this really quickly. When you press and hold this down, the panic alarm will go off. It will start honking really loudly, repeatedly. But in order to stop it, you have to push the lock button. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to push it. I'm going to let the horn go off, and then I'm going to push the lock button right away to stop it, okay? So we're going to do it right now. Okay, so you heard that long beep. That would continue to happen when you set off the panic alarm like that. But I wanted to stop it because I didn't want to disturb the whole parking lot. All right, so that's how to use it. Now for the bonus tip, let's say your key fob battery dies and you need to get into the car. Well, how do you do that? Well, there's actually a key. I'm trying to get good lighting here. There's actually a key hidden right over here. What you have to do to get that key out, let's see if I can do this with one hand, is you have to pull up on the key right there and slide that. So I'm going to try and just do this. I don't even know if I could do this, to be honest. Let's try like this. You got to pull up on the key and slide that. So we're going to try like this. Yeah, almost. You're essentially sliding that little slider while at the same time pulling the key out of the key fob. Here, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to hold my camera with my neck. Okay. Sorry about the shaky camera, but now I'm going to go like this. There you go. All right. That actually worked. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull this out. Let's try and do this. Sorry about the shaky camera. You're going to pull this out. There you have it. Then you can slide it. Woo! Oh, my camera's falling. Then you can slide it back in. Sorry about that. I know that was a little bit unplanned, but I thought I could do it with one finger, but I couldn't. But essentially, you slide this and you pull that out, and that allows you to actually have an actual key that you can use to get into the car. But that's basically it. That is the Nissan Kicks key fob tutorial, how to use it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.